Hello dear student, today I am going to deliver a brief introduction of calculus. Okay, so dear student, you must remember calculus is not a chapter. Calculus is a branch of mathematics. Okay, calculus is not a chapter but it is a branch of mathematics. Okay, it is considered as a higher mathematics. Okay, which is also part of syllabus of class 11th and 12th student. Okay student, so today I am going to tell you in brief about calculus. Okay, so before the definition of calculus, we have must remember the great scientists Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz, who were the responsible for the birth of calculus. Okay, so must remember Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried. Okay, you can say father of calculus Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. Okay, okay, dear student, as I have told you in previous lecture about variable dependent and independent variables. Okay, so suppose y is equal to, suppose you have a simple equation. Suppose you have a simple equation in term of x and y. Okay, you have a simple equation in term of x and y where x is independent variable. X is independent variable. Okay, and y is dependent variable. Dependent variable. Okay, dear student, that means when you are going to change in the value of x, so y will be also change according to x. Okay, so you can say simply x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Okay, in other hand, you can also say y is the function of x. Okay, dear student, you must remember, and it is written as y is equal to f of x. Okay, that means x is independent variable and y is dependent variable, and you can say also y is the function of x. So you define function in simple language. Dependent variable is the function of independent variable. Okay, as I have told you in previous lecture. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about calculus, the definition of calculus. Okay, and in what manner calculus related to these two terms, dependent variable and independent variable. Okay, so look here, I'm going to tell you definition of calculus. Okay, okay, dear student, calculus. Okay, as I told you just now, calculus is a branch of mathematics. It is not a chapter. Okay, calculus is the branch of mathematics. Calculus is the branch of mathematics. Okay, calculus is the branch of mathematics in which we deals with the study of, in which we deals with the study of, with the study of rate of change of, rate of change, rate of change of dependent variable, dependent variable, rate of change of dependent variable with respect to, with respect to independent variable, independent variable, variable. Okay student, so what is calculus? Calculus is the branch of mathematics in which we deals with the study of rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. As I told you just now, what, suppose you have a simple equation y is equal to 2x plus 5, okay, in term of x and y, x is independent and y is dependent. When you are going to change in the value of x, then according to this y will be also changed, okay. Then in what manner, in what manner uh, after changing the x, y will change, okay, we study in calculus, okay. So again, what is calculus? Simply you can say, okay, okay dear student, what is calculus? I told you, and I'm going to tell you about the chapters, that are covered in the branch of mathematics, calculus, okay. So mainly calculus have mainly two parts, calculus have mainly two parts, okay. Calculus, okay dear student, okay, calculus have two parts, okay. First uh, differential calculus, first differential calculus, okay dear student. And second is what, integral calculus, integral calculus, okay. Differential calculus and integral calculus are the part of calculus, okay, which is the part of mathematics, okay. So in this section, what are the chapters, okay, I am going to tell you, okay. First chapter is limits and derivatives, limits and derivatives, okay student. Second, limit and derivatives and continuity and differentiability, continuity and differentiability, okay dear student. And third is application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. Okay, student. In this section, what we study? First, basic definition of calculus. Okay. Rate of change. Rate of change of a quantity. Rate of change of a quantity. It is must be dependent variable. Okay, rate of change of quantity. Okay, dependent variable. That means, okay, with respect to other quantity. That means independent variable. For example, suppose you have know already a is equal to pi r square. It is the formula for area of the circle. Where r is the radius of circle. When you are going to change in the value of radius, then according to this area will be also changed. Okay, then all about this we study here. Okay, second, slope and equation of a tangent and normal. Of a curve. Here we study the geometrical definition of derivative. Okay, and third is that are most important, maximum and minimum value of a function. Maximum and minimum value. Maximum and minimum value of the function. Okay, for a point or interval of point. Okay, so in the differential calculus we study mainly this part. Okay, so write and learn. Okay, dear student, just now we discussed about differential calculus. Okay, and what about integral calculus? Okay, we are going to discuss. Okay, how many chapters are covered in this section? Okay, we are going to tell you. First, integral calculus have to first you can say part or chapter, you can say indefinite integration. Okay, dear student, what is difference between integral and integration? I will tell you after the discussion of this. Okay, indefinite integration, and second is definite integration. Okay, definite integration. Okay, so integral have mainly two part, indefinite integration and definite integration. Okay, and third application of definite integration, okay, di. Okay student, so there are 3 chapter you can say in this section, okay. And next also, suppose what is the study of application of definite integration, area under curve, okay. Area under curve, you must remember what things are discussed in this section. Area under the curve, area under the curve, you must also learn or remember curve, okay. And fourth is what, differential equation, okay student. So this is the basic brief introduction of calculus, okay. You must remember, okay dear student. As I just tell you, we are going to discuss a brief introduction of calculus, okay. So in front of you, this is the brief introduction of calculus, so note and learn, okay. Here you must remember, according to NCERT pattern, class 11th syllabus is class 11th, okay. You must remember only this chapter is included for class 11th student, okay. And remaining all chapters for 12th student, okay. So note down and learn brief introduction of calculus, okay.